Hey guys, welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to transfer money using WorldFirst platform. Where is available, how many options are available, and how many countries they are covered to send one country to another country. We will see detailed information in this video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Simply open here new tab. You can do same process for any smartphone devices. Transfer money using WorldFirst. And look at this here, first link is display here, worldfirst.com, send money abroad. You just simply click here. After the click, such kind of web page is display here. We are visiting WorldFirst slide, European Union, select EU, yes. Currently I am in Europe, so that's why they are providing do you business like local or with WorldFirst, open account. Some other information is also available here. How many countries, what is the process, how you open the account, and the other information. Before start anything, we need to simply register here, means open the WorldFirst account. So here the country, location, I just simply select here Denmark. Verify email address. Now need to verify email address, so they send me code on my email address. So yeah, I am receiving the verification code on the spam folder. Done. You need to create a password. Password must be in case sensitive. Accept and create account. Again drag and drop the ball. Verification is successfully done, and then wait couple of seconds. Okay, done. Next, please enter verification mobile number, two-factor setting. Okay, the WorldFirst is Netherlands based Dutch company. Send a code and I am receiving OTP. Confirm. Continue. Company or solo trader, so I just simply select a solo trader. Next, you need to add here your tax number. You need to put it here your company name. Retype solo trader, registration date 4th of April, registration address. Next, yes, same. Alternative address or not. Which industry does you business? Okay, manufacturing and electric equipment. If you want business, so this platform is very important. Belgium, Kuwait. Next, company documents. You need to upload here company documents. Then next, you can do this process, scan your verification ID and then complete the process. After your process is completed, they verify your account and then you can quick negotiation, pay, account detail, withdrawal and convert if you want pay here. So alternative authentication is coming here. This is very case sensitive platform. Before, if your verification is not done, so you not able to send this money. And look at this here, my account balance, open account in 40 currency. It's really amazing. This account is supportable like a 40 currencies, transfer the money and improve your business as a day by day. Here collection related informations are come. Before doing anything, we need to complete this registration process. I have no company documents, so that's why I'm not completed this process. If you have, so you can complete and doing this process. So all options able after you finish the process. Here your company profile, here authentication is not successfully done, so that's why we are not receiving this option. So this is a simple process. If you have any question, you can comment me. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.